Hi everyone, we're going to try another bloom today. I've just got a little canvas here on my spinner, 20 centimeters, and let's get started. So I've got my pillow paint here, which of course is house paint, and I'm just going to put a pillow of this down, and then I do just want to spread it around to the edges like that. Like that. And then I've noticed when I put my colors on here, they just run off, so I just want to like level it there in the middle so the colors don't run off. Okay, let's put some color down. Let's start off with some of this blue. And let's just layer some colors. And maybe a touch more of that. Okay, and then on top of that we're going to put the cell activator. Right, and let us blow that out. Okay, and let's just give that a couple moments to pull into the middle again. I can blow it a little bit with a straw while we wait. It looks very cool so far. So let's spin this and see what we get. Oh, there we go. That's actually very pretty. I love the colouring here. It looks like the Northern Lights. It looks very subtle but quite colourful, if you understand what I'm saying. And then some beautiful lacing going on. Oh, I do like it. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on. So there it is. Look at that. Look at these colours. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. I'm definitely getting better at it. Let's just put it that way. I'm getting better. I still need to do quite a bit of practice with the blowout of the paint. Very cool. Happy with that. Very, very happy with that.
If you enjoyed this video and think Shana is amazing, please subscribe to our channel.
So there we go, everybody. Just another quick little bloom for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.